Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm preparing shrimp in a very easy way. Just takes less than 15 minutes. So let's get started. So first you take a cup of shrimp, medium-sized shrimp, add some salt. You gotta marinate first. You gotta marinate like 15 minutes. You gotta add black pepper, nice black pepper. Yeah. Salt, black pepper, red chili, red chili powder. You can use whatever ingredient you like to marinate. Red chili powder is optional if you don't want like extra spicy. Then you can add. If not, then you can skip that chili powder. You can use the garlic powder. Oregano. Parsley flakes. And olive oil. Couple of tablespoons of olive oil is always good. You can use any kind of oil, but I love using olive oil. Yes. Dark soy sauce, light soy sauce. It's optional. Give it a good mix. And you can marinate. You can keep in the fridge for like 10 to 15 minutes. It's always good refrigerating after marinating. So now it's done. Now we'll get ready with other stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna use a green bell pepper. Just slice in a nice size. You can use any vegetables. You can use jalapenos, green onion, red bell pepper. I'm using green bell pepper, onion. You don't need a nice. You just use it rough chop. Some cloves, garlic. You don't need to peel it. You just slice it half. Or you can just place it because we are gonna bake it anyway, so it's gonna cook very well. So you don't need to worry about. Just make some slice between rough. Almost done. So I have taken a tray with a silver foil. I always use the silver foil. It's always good, like for cleaning. You don't need to worry about cleaning the tray and getting all the oily and sticky, greasy. Okay, so place the shrimp in a tray and place all the other peppers, garlic, bell pepper. So I'm adding a little bit of olive oil on the top. Salt. And black pepper. Yeah, so now you can give some little bit of mix. Preheat your oven for 425 and roast for like 20 minutes and it's all done. Now get your plate and start enjoying. So if you guys like this video, please subscribe, like, comment, and I'll be making more simple food recipe for you guys. So enjoy for now. Thank you.